yesterday when we got into Delhi, some of you were nearly half asleep. So I will reintroduce myself. My name is Durga Singh. Durga is the goddess of war and Singh is the lion which she rides. I am not so ferocious. I am a docile lion. I have come all the way from Jaipur to this national capital Delhi to receive you, and I shall be with you for your entire tour. So you know where to fit the noose. If something goes wrong, I am the man to call. DURGA is the spelling. Now the first thing when you come to a new country is the greeting. So the Indian greeting is Namaste or Namaskar. The gesture can be conveyed with folded hands and a bow. In Sanskrit, the root Nama means to bow. I bow to you. So it is good morning, good evening, good night, everything. And if you forget the word, don't worry about the word, just fold your hands. If I am very respectful to him, Mr. Pradeep, then I will bow a little more. If he is a very senior person, my professor or my teacher or my grandfather, I will touch his feet and bow. And you have seen the Hare Krishna people, they will go prostrate on the ground. And Indian politicians, when they have to say Namaste to 30,000 people, they will put up their hands and say Namaskar, Namaskar. So in one go they have said Namaste to 30,000. So the range between that Namaste and the prostrate on the ground, it is for you to choose which slot you want to be. So the greeting Namaste or Namaskar means the same. The television news reader will say Namaskar. In spoken language we will say Namaste. I right at the start want to tell you, please ask me as many questions as you like. There is nothing called a silly question. If you fill in a form after getting home that you wanted a soft pillow, the next guest will benefit by your call, sir. If you phone me or tell me you want a soft pillow, you will enjoy your holiday. I will ensure that at every hotel you get a soft pillow. So don't hesitate. With all due respect, certain nationalities, British का नाम मत लो, certain nationalities are very reserved and they will only fill in their problems in a form when they get home. But I want you to be comfortable. So fill the form but also tell me and I will get you a soft pillow, I will get you whatever you want, as much as possible. We come from different countries and different cultures. Everything works in a different way here. Some of our systems may be a big surprise to you. Some of the systems may make you feel very uncomfortable. I will explain them and I will try that you understand the reasoning behind it. For example, यहाँ ये ट्रैफिक वाली कहानी, I will go to the logistics later. अब आगे से the travel company in your country, the Indian company at Delhi, the office staff and myself, we have worked very hard to make your tour enjoyable. But you have to give your point of view to make it more enjoyable. Please do ask us. Now coming to the logistics. When we come to the logistics, I will go one by one. Currency notes. India is one of the few countries where soiled, mutilated or torn notes do not work. So the hotel reception or the shopkeeper might give you such notes. You are in your right to refuse them and say, please change them. He will pretend oh sorry, here it is. Don't be too polite. If you are given a bad note, change it. If by chance you notice it later, bring it to me. I will give you a new note and I will go to the bank and change it after the tour. But it is one part of the Indian situation. Washrooms and toilets. At times they are free, at times they are paid toilets. At times there is an attendant who might solicit tips. So the maximum is about 10 rupees. Where they are completely free, it is written they are free. And at places where they are paid, it is written outside paid and you pay outside the entrance. So you will have these different kinds of toilets. And there will be toilet paper available, soap will be available, but it is a good idea to keep some tissues in your pocket because there might be small places where they are not. Then you have something at hand. Telephone and selfies. It's a new thing to our India. Our economy has changed. People who could never dream of having a phone or a camera now can afford it. Even the rickshawala has an Android and takes photographs all the time. He has learned how to talk to his lady wife 3,000 kilometers away on WhatsApp video call. And the housewives keep talking to their mothers and friends as to what vegetable was made or what the pakoras more spicy or less spicy. Such frivolous talk. A country of 3,000 miles has come into 3 minutes. You will be more than amused the kind of conversations which go. Also, it has very much encouraged love affairs and boyfriends and girlfriends. So it has all these issues which are so new. Your concern, sir, is that people will take selfies with you. You will get a celebrity status. You are in your right to say yes or no. You might be given babies in arms to photograph. You are to bless the baby. They think you are very divine and powerful because you have a fair skin. So all this will keep happening all the time. Tips. As per directions given to me by the travel office, the tips for luggage are included, but at the restaurants, when we are going on elephant or camel rides, the tips for myself and our driver who is serving you and the helper of the bus. In India, it is customary to have a driver and a helper. The helper does the luggage loading, he cleans the bus every day. When the driver is in a very tight corner, he helps him to reverse, etc. This is his job. So our gratuity is not included on the trip. The name of our driver is Mr. जो उसका नाम है नेकचंद फवाद सिंह अजमेर से जो नाम है I will introduce him to you as we get to our coach. Traffic. It's going to be very, very chaotic. Very chaotic. There will be a lot of blowing of horns. It's not directed on anybody. It all settles. Our drivers are well trained. They will look after your safe driving. So don't feel nervous. Now we have lovely highways, 4 lanes, 6 lanes. We have traffic lights. But 30 years ago, I had my own way to tackle this. That the partition used to be there between the driver and the passenger cabin. I would put my passengers in parda. I would draw a curtain across so they can only see the side, they can't see the onward road. But now we have different kinds of coaches and mostly you are able to see. Don't feel frightened, it's all, they are well trained on it. The blowing of horns will have it. Credit cards. When you exchange money, either on your card or from your currency, there is a certain rate which you see online. This rate is quite elusive. This rate is elusive because there is a tax by the government called a service tax, GST. There is a commission, a rightful commission which the money changer is allowed to earn. That is added on. And the money changer will check up the rate of the day. So your system might be showing the rate of yesterday and today the new rate might have come in effect. So there is a variation of about 8 to 10% or 12%, but you will discover it in the hard way that after you go to 3 money changing, then no, they are giving the same difference and the system is showing more. I have told you about it. It is your wish if you wish to change or if you don't wish to change. We do not recommend or solicit any money changing. It is entirely up to you. If you want my help in changing, I will find out the rate. I will tell you what is being offered. If you say yes, we'll do it. If you say no, you can do it where you like. Yeah. As for the credit cards, we are only going to very standard places and very standard restaurants. Now most places have machines which are brought to you. And we also have machines where you are no touch. However, on your own, if you go out and use your card, my recommendation is do not put it out of your sight and do not use it or put any pins if you have the slightest suspicion. आजकल ये मिडिल लेवल वाले टूरिस्ट खुद चले जाते हैं और हमें फंसा देते हैं, जाके अपना फ्रॉड करवा के आए. As for medication, if you are carrying any medication with you which needs any refrigeration like diabetes and insulin, please tell me so I will ensure that the fridge is on. If some of the hotel rooms do not have fridge, I will organize a cold place for you to put it. But you have to tell me now that you need it, and it is my work to find out how to continue. If you have brought a cold box with you, the hotel will give you ice to put in it or a safe bag. But do keep me informed so I can assist you in this matter. As for the dress, shoes, socks and etiquettes, as I said, we come from different cultures. In your culture, to wear the navel is something very immodest. In our culture, calves, knees and anything above the knees is immodest. The lady is the same. It's just here. We consider this immodest and you consider this immodest. Here many times under the sari or sideways you will see the navel of the lady clearly. And therefore it is advisable that when we go to certain places or certain towns or a temple, I will warn you in advance so you wear a longer dress. A very good idea is to keep a sarong or a shawl with you, which comes very handy to put over your shoulders or wrap around, like on a beach you wear your sarong. So in case you are not carrying one, then you can wear a longer dress. But do keep me informed so I can assist you in this matter. As for the dress, shoes, socks and etiquettes, India produces a huge amount of lovely cotton, lovely shawls, silks, pashminas, and we can always, before we reach the place, make a stop for you to collect some of these things. So this is what is done. Where we have to open shoes, some places you are allowed to wear socks, other places you are not allowed to wear socks. At places like the Taj Mahal, you can wear overshoes. It is different everywhere. I will keep you briefed on this matter. There is no one rule for all places. No. Why we open the shoes? Because shoes come from leather, leather comes from a dead being, so it is impure. Therefore, we want to leave it out. As for smoking, now most restaurants, most public places, most trains, most aeroplanes are no smoking. However, at airports and hotels there is smoking area, and if you have requested for smoking room, we might try to get you a smoking room, but more than half the hotels may not have smoking rooms, so you will have to go outside and smoke. Public affection, it is a very important aspect. It is customary not to have display of affection in public places. Particularly is holding each other's in an intimate embrace, or kissing, or sitting on each other's lap, or on a train journey or a bus journey or an aeroplane, any kind of further intimacy. However, it is a very, very Asian thing between two boyfriends or two girlfriends to hold each other's shoulder. We call it in Hindi galbaiya. This does not mean that they are queer or gay. They are just two affectionate boyfriends or girlfriends. It is very, very customary, particularly in Punjabi community, Delhi, Haryana, when they meet each other after a long time, they call it jaffi. They'll make a big explanation, oh yaar, tusi kithe tha. They will embrace each other and lift each other like this. So you will say, Durga, you just told us that in public you don't embrace. But this is like the right touch and the wrong touch. Our definition, not yours, sir. Our definition. So a jaffi or a galbaiya is not a wrong touch. So you have to understand this. Do in Rome as Romans do. So, till you are in India, please alter your definition and follow our do's and don'ts. No knees, no thighs, no calves, no strings, no short tops. Wear them if you like, but put an overdress on. Easy. When you are in your hotel, when you are on the swimming pool, when you are in your private area, do wear it. I am not stopping you. Nobody is going to hang you for wearing it. However, when you are on a sightseeing tour, where you are in public eye, keep it. So that's about this concept. Questions, conversations. You will be asked, वो जो मैंने बोला था वो सब यहाँ बोल दो. Don't feel offended. It's a part of being in India. The sounds, the smells. There will be strong aromas of sweets, of food ingredients, of spices, of flowers, and sometimes of the drain and sewage. It It will be a big mix of all of this together. Wafts of kebabs and sweet things will come. Sometimes jasmine will come. Sometimes. So you have to get used to it. India is all about aromas and sounds. It's there all the time. If it gets very overwhelming, take an afternoon off, go for a massage in the hotel, and I will tell you which part you will not miss much if you take an afternoon off. So refer to me, I will give you advice. As for the yes, when we go to the monument, I will put India in perspective, the history, the culture, the geography. As we travel, there will be many topics to talk. The monsoon rain, अब ये जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर में चलेगा, तो मैप होल्ड करो. इस ओरिएंटेशन में आपके पास इंडिया का मैप होना चाहिए, उसको होल्ड करो. उस पे मार्कर से आपका टूर मार्क होना चाहिए. अगर राउंड राजस्थान कर रहे हो तो इस जगह इंडिया और राजस्थान दिखाओगे, और पहले टाउन में जब जोधपुर या उदयपुर या जयपुर पहुंचोगे तब स्टेट का मैप रूट बताओगे. अब क्या रह गया यहाँ कि लिखो साहब, यहाँ लिखो लॉन्ग जर्नीज, लॉन्ग रोड जर्नीज, लॉन्ग रोड जर्नीज. तो उस लॉन्ग रोड जर्नीज में वो ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट का एंगल ले आओगे वो पूरी जाती. अब इस पॉइंट पे क्या बोलोगे, ये पॉइंट में क्यों लाया? ऑन एवरी लॉन्ग रोड जर्नी which is 5 to 6 hours, I am going to take up one subject of interest, which could be the caste system in India, the role of the Maharajas, what happened to the Maharajas after they got independence and they lost their kingdoms. It is a matter of great interest. The change from kingship to democracy. I mean, the French put them to guillotine. England till recently still had her late majesty the Queen and now the King. Japan, Thailand, Norway, Denmark have them symbolically. So the caste system will be one top, the Maharajas of India will be another top, Hinduism and the religions will be another top. On this I would like to tell you, right to start with, you may not be aware, sir, but Christianity came to India almost original, almost undiluted through one of the apostles, the doubting Thomas. You call him doubting Thomas. जीसस क्राइस्ट के 12 वो चेले जाते थे, उनमें थॉमस एक था जिसने सोचा कि ये जीसस भगवान कुछ नहीं. अब संजोग या दुर्योग समझ लो कि वो जो थॉमस था वो हिंदुस्तान आ गया क्राइस्ट के थोड़े ही समय बाद, और वो तमिलनाडु की भूमि पे गड़ा हुआ है. तो न्यू टेस्टामेंट भी नहीं बना था, ओल्ड टेस्टामेंट भी नहीं बना था, कुछ नहीं बना था जब क्रिश्चियनिटी हमारे यहाँ आ गई. अब बात रही इस्लाम की, वहां तो मोहम्मद साहब के नवासों को काट रहे थे, मारामारी चल रही थी. इस्लाम इस्टेब्लिश ही नहीं हुआ था. मोहम्मद साहब तो बोल रहे थे तब तक, और हमारा कैलिकट कोझिकोड का राजा गया मसालों का व्यापार करने. कहाँ गया? अरब कंट्री में गया. अब वो साहब इस्लामिक बन गया, उसको मोहम्मद साहब की बात पसंद आ गई. अब वो आ गया और उसने अपने किंगडम को मुसलमान बना दिया. तो मक्का मदीना जब बनी तो थर्ड मॉस्क ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, अर्थ का तीसरा मस्जिद तो हमारे यहाँ बना पड़ा है. हमारी केरला में, वहां तो अभी इस्लाम पूरा बना ही नहीं था. अभी तक तो वो हुसैन और हसन को मारामारी कर रहे थे, और तब इस्लाम तो हमारे यहाँ आ गया. पीसफुली आया, कन्विंस होके आया. इंडिया इज अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज कंट्री. Christianity came to us original through the apostle. Islam came to us even next to Mecca and Medina. We have the third mosque. Now they declare it or not, it is their wish, but history has it on record. आप इसको कैसे बदल सकते हो कि वहाँ लड़ाइयाँ चल रही थी तब यहाँ शांतिपूर्वक आ चुका था. तो people in the north didn't know, people in the south knew it. There is no communication. तो ये हम बताएंगे कि इंडिया is a very complex nation with all this past. So I am going to talk about it. So Hinduism, caste, Maharajas, role of women in India, how it all changed. Very controversial topics like Sati, where the lady immolates herself on the funeral pyre. We will also talk about it. It is very controversial. Most guides or escorts don't want to talk of it, but I will talk to you. Because when we go to Jodhpur, when we go to Bikaner, you will see these places. So you have to know about it. So each journey is not going to be 6 hours in the bus. 1 to 2 hours will be our talk and question and answer. We will have at least 3 or 4 photo stops where you will see camels or a bridegroom or a Jain monk or nomads or maybe a panther or a tiger. I don't know what we will see. I cannot tell you what we will see. And halfway through we will stop for a toilet stop. You can buy cups of chai, small mementos, wonderful books, wonderful music you can buy. So, please change your mind. The journeys will be an exciting part of your tour. Don't get worked up about them. ये journey का कर दिया, ये सब कर दिया. Room allotment. When we are going to heritage places, they were never built as hotels. Every room is different to each other. In my last tour, one guest has praised one room and written 3 pages. And you, Mr. Pradeep, may find it little sinister. It's the same room. I have not changed it. Because they are not Hilton hotels. They were built as homes. And please feel free to tell me. If I have a possibility of changing, I will change it. If I don't have a possibility of changing, I promise you I will know your taste, and then in the next hotel I will try to give you a room to your taste. Some room may have 10 windows, some room may have 1 window, some room may have a balcony, some room may not have a balcony. They are all different. So we will try to take care of it. Now, I hope I have put to ease your mind. If you have any pre-nomination of India from your television, your readings, your exposure from earlier travel, ask me, sir. I insist. If you have any worries about this travel, will I feel cold? Will I feel hot? Will I be... Ask me now and enjoy the tour onward. खूब खोद के पूछोगे, थोड़ा सा ये भी कर दोगे कि there are no snakes running around to bite you. We are not a country of snake charmers anymore. You might see 1 or 2, but not many. Please ask. इसमें nationality और age wise कुछ अजीब क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं. कोई शर्मा जाते हैं और सबके सामने नहीं पूछते, बाद में पूछते. उनमें पर्टिकुलरली सिंगल वुमन ट्रैवलर्स थे बहुत. उन्होंने वो सब वो कहानियाँ सुनी पढ़ी होती. वो जब आपको सिंपली कहें प्राइवेट में आई एम कंसर्न ऑफ माई सेफ्टी दुर्गा, तो उसको आप इतना ही कहोगे, आई एश्योर यू, you don't have to worry. I will particularly allot such rooms to you. Anyway, all our staff is screened, we are going to very high level, etc. In the city when we go, we are always with you. But if you still feel uneasy, I want to assure you that I will look after all aspects of your room allotment. If you want to go to the market, if you want to take a walk, we will organize the hotel concierge or myself or somebody to go with you. Don't cramp yourself. Do what you like. We will ensure your safety. ये बता देना. दूसरा खाना पीना, food. Please, to begin with, avoid salads and dairy.